So in your computer keyboard, this is the shift key and this is the F3 key. So you must press this shift key and F3 key, these two keys at the same time. So in this Microsoft Word MS Office Word, here it is written, hi, how are you? I simply select this all, and after that I am going to press this shift key and this F3 key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the first letter H, here the first letters have been become capital, and if you change everything to the capital, you must press it again. That is, you must press this shift key and F3 key at the same time. Then you can see that everything in this test, that is, hi, how are you, everything is in capital letter. And if we press it once again, that's if we press this shift key and F3 key, these two keys at the same time once again, then you can see that everything becomes small letter. So if you want to shift from capital letter, small letter, or the first word capital, you can use this keyboard shortcut, that is the shift key plus F3 key. That is, you must press these two keys at the same time. For more videos like this, subscribe and join us online. Thank you.